everybody. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what's inside of the box of our 10-liter ready-to-use media fill bag. Next, we'll get into the actual unboxing of the product. But before we do that, I'll give you an overview of the connectors that are attached to the bag. So once I open the top of the shipping container, I will see the contents of my ready-to-use bag that are triple barrier packaged. If I were to remove that plastic packaging, I would see these three connectors. So I've got two C-Flex clamp tubes with MPC connectors at the end, and an inlet where I can introduce neutralizers or attach a syringe because it has a septum to take out a growth promotion sample. So again, once I take off that lid, I've got the triple packaging and I can see my connectors and make sure everything's intact before usage. But an up-close schematic of what the connectors are. So I have my injection port here, like I mentioned. Got two sets of tubing, my C-Flex tubing. A question we get asked a lot, is this tubing able to be welded to other tubing? The answer to that is yes, it can be welded, heat welded to similar C-Flex tubing, which is pretty common. I have two plastic clamps for opening and closing, allowing flow of the media. And at the ends, I have two MPC connectors to allow for aseptic transfer of the media. So the composition of the MPC connectors that come with our standard item, I'll talk about the Lynx connector that is a newer standard item next. So the current MPC connectors are made out of medical grade plastic, and they basically allow for aseptic transfer, aseptic connection to other filling lines that have compatible MPC connectors to allow the ready-to-use media to go directly into a filling vessel.
Hi everybody, I'm here with our ready-to-use 10-liter media fill bag. Today I'm going to do a quick little unboxing video for you and show you exactly what's inside of this box and how to utilize the ready-to-use media fill bag. Before I get to that, as promised, I was going to show you the Lynx connectors. So our Process Solutions colleagues were nice enough to provide us with a couple of Lynx connectors to show you. So this ready-to-use bag that I have comes with our standard MPC connector. The Lynx connector option actually comes with this end. So it's the Lynx S2S connector. It comes in two pieces, but the part that's attached to our ready-to-use bag is actually this piece. So this would be the external part that would connect to another S2S connector to allow for aseptic connection to a media fill line or production line. So now let's look and see what's inside of our 10-liter ready-to-use box. So this is the outer shipping container. We are familiar with probably with the red tabs that are sometimes on the outside of the box. When I receive this package, I can see my label here. It has my irradiation sticker, my lot information, my catalog number, the expiration date, storage conditions, and the barcode. When I open the box, let's take the lid off and see what's inside. So I've got my secure shipping container. I believe inside of here, this was the red tab that I was talking about that would be on the outside of the container, kind of holding the lid on a little bit. So when I take the lid off, this is what I see. I see my ready-to-use 10-liter media fill bag, got my triple packaging here. That's basically it. 3 layers of plastic packaging. So let's open this up a little bit. Of course, I cheated a little bit and I pre-cut the 3 bags so I can take this out pretty easily. So 1, 2, 3 layers of plastic here. And inside, Once I peel back these layers, you can see the inside. I've got my 10 liters of radiated, ready-to-use media. So again, my irradiation sticker, as well as the name. This is my CASO Boolean EP, so my TSB basically according to EP USP. 10 liters, my catalog number, the lot number, and my storage conditions and my expiration number. Okay. So now I can access my connectors. So as I mentioned in the presentation, there's 3 different connecting systems on here. So I've got my inlet port where I can add an additive. So there's a nice little step on here. I can go in with a syringe or take a sample out for growth promotion. So that is a capped septa. I've got 2 sets of tubing here. So one shorter tubing that has my MPC connector on here. 2 clamps, as mentioned, to let my media out on each set of tubing. And then my second MPC connector. So 2 basic MPC connectors, 1 inlet sample port, and on the top is my bar where I can, somebody that can use this can hang it up and allow gravity or connect it to a peristaltic pump to pump out the content. But 10 liters ready to use irradiated media. That's about it. Thank you, everybody.